Here's a really quick video of how to repair the ratcheting mechanism and your Mac wrench. Specifically, I'm working on a 1/2-inch drive VR15, and I'll be using this rebuild kit to repair it. And I mean, this thing is useless at this point. It does not move whatsoever. Maybe good for a breaker bar, but this thing is desperately needing repair. So I'll show you how to do that. Alright, first steps are to take out these two screws that hold in the face plate. One. There's two. Next step is to unscrew the screw here that holds in the switch lever. Okay, now that's out. So now we just flip over the ratchet and pull out the switch lever. Great. All right, so now the next step is to take a rubber mallet and tap the back of this ratchet until the faceplate comes off. And I'd suggest putting the head of the ratchet in a box or in a bag or something, just so all the loose parts that will come out once you hit it won't go flying everywhere. So I'm going to do that off camera. So just a fun update, I've hit this thing about 15 times pretty hard and we've only gotten that much progress. So just know it will probably take some good strikes to get this face plate off, but you'll definitely want a catch or something because these parts will go a-flying. Alright, so I finally got the internal mechanisms out, and now I can start putting in the new parts. So, after cleaning up all the old stuff in there, first step is to put the spring in, the new spring in, and the metal ball. Just rest it on there. Alright, now I will put, once I get the ball back in place, the pawl in, compress the spring in the ball. Okay, hold that in place. Alright, now that the pawl is in, I'm ready to put in the main assembly. Hold that down. It's good to go. And now I can put on the new faceplate. That one went in very nicely. And now I can put in the new screws that hold the faceplate in. So I actually need to take a step back here because as I was trying to put the screws back in for this new cover plate, I realized that the holes aren't recessed, but the old ones are, and even the new screws that come with the kit need to be recessed. Maybe they're countersunk, intended to be countersunk. So I am instead going to use the old plate and the old screws since I cannot use that. So anyway, on with the install. Well, that's a good lesson why you should never throw away parts before the job is finished. So anyway, I'm just going to now, with my old cover plate in, going to screw these old screws back in, and then I'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Alright, so now we can flip over the ratchet and then put in the ratchet handle here, flip it over, and then put in the final screw. And just like that, the ratchet feels like it's brand new. No more slips, it actually works. So I am a happy camper. So that again is how you repair a 1/2-inch drive VR15 Mac tool ratchet. And here is specifically the repair kit I used. I have another video where I do the same kind of work, but it's on a 3/8 or 3/4 ratchet, excuse me. Again, Mac tools. If you like that, I'll link that video in the suggested bar up above. And if you want more content like this, please feel free to like and share this video, and check out my channel for other great videos. And I will see you on the next video.